Namaskaram. Today, I would like to say something about Bharatanatyam, which was previously called as Sadir Atam. This is one of the major dance forms in our Indian subcontinent, taking its origin from Tamil Nadu. It is one of the oldest classical dance traditions in India. It was nurtured in the temples and the courts of the kings who ruled the southern states of India. The Bani or the tradition to describe the dance technique pertaining to a specific school or guru. The performance repertoire of Bharatanatyam has three parts. One, Nritta, which is the pure dance, Nritya, the solo expressive dance, and Natya, a group dramatic dance. Then we have in Nritta, which is fast, a rhythmic footwork along with emphasis in the beauty, the form, the speed, and the pattern. Nritya has the slower and expressive aspects to communicate the feelings based on the spiritual themes taken from the Indian mythology. And in Natyam, it is a play where a team is involved but can be acted out by the solo performer to indicate a character based on the story. This art form has been taught by gurus to their sishyas generation after generation. Today, we have as our guest one of the great performer. She is the founder director of Kala Samarpana, Srimati Vasanta Lakshmi Narsimachari. They both together started this beautiful dance institution and they have been propagating both Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi Natyam. So it is an honor to have Srimati Vasanta Lakshmi Narsimachari to encourage the young dancers and express her wishes. Thank you. Namaskar.
ஹீரோயினியன் பிம்பிள் அட்வைஸ். பிம்பிள் வந்துடுச்சுல்ல, இப்போ ஹெல்தி ஸ்கின்னுக்கு வெறும் பிரீமியம் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வெல்லா கூடுனது.
குட்டிமா, இவங்க வெறும் அட்வைஸ் தருவாங்க, ஆனா இவங்க பிம்பிள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் இல்ல. இனி வெறும்
ஹிமாலயா பியூரிஃபைங் நீம் ஃபேஸ் வாஷ்,
பிம்பிள் ஃப்ரீ ஹெல்தி ஸ்கின்னோட எக்ஸ்பர்ட்.
நவராத்திரி விழாவின் 3ஆம் நாளில் தேவியை வாராகி என வணங்க வேண்டும். மலர்கள் உருவில் மாக்கோலம் இட்டு சந்தனம் குங்குமம் சாத்தி முத்து பவள நகைகளால் அலங்கரிக்க வேண்டும். கன்யா கல்யாணி என அழைக்க வேண்டும். பூஜிக்க வேண்டிய மலர்கள் சம்பங்கி, மரு. இசை வீணை இசைத்து காம்போதி ராகம் பாடுவது வழக்கம். வரம் அருளும் வாராகி தேவி வந்து பணிந்தோம், வாழ்வில் மேன்மை அருள்வாய்.
Namaskaram. My name is Susmita Gurla. My guru is my mother, Srimati Madhuri Gurla. Today, I will be presenting a Kuchipudi composition, Ananda Nartana Ganapathan, by Dr. Chinta Ravi Balakrishna Garu from Kuchipudi. This composition is in Nata Ragam, set to Adi.
தருகிடதும் தருகிடதும்
நர்த்தன கணபதிம் பாவயே
தக்கிட்ட திக்கிட்ட தொங்கிட்ட நங்கிட்ட తక్కిడదగ దిక్కిడదగ దొంగిడదగ నంగిడదగ తత్రగిడదం తత్రగిడదం తద్యం తత్రగిడదం
ఆనందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే
తక్కిట్ట జొన్ను తక్కిట్ట దిమ్మి తక్కిట్ట కిట్ట తక్కిట్ట తద్యం తత్రగిడదం తద్యం తత్రగిడదం తద్యం తత్రగిడదం
పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే
తక్క దిమ్మి తక్కిట్ట తక్క జొన్ను తక్కిట్ట తక్క దిమ్మి తక్కిట్ట తద్యం తత్రగిడదం తద్యం తత్రగిడదం తద్యం తత్రగిడదం
పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే చిదాకారమూలాధార ఓంకార గజవదనం పరమం చిదాకారమూలాధార ఓంకార గజవదనం పరమం పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే చిదాకారమూలాధార ఓంకార గజవదనం పరమం పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే చిదాకారమూలాధార ఓంకార గజవదనం పరమం పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే సానందమునీంద్ర గణనుత శివ శంకరి మానస్ విలీయమానం
దిన్ 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 తగ దిన్ 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 తగ దిన్ 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 తద్దిన్ దిన్ దిన్ తద్దిన్ దిన్ దిన్ తరగడ తగ దిన్ తరగడ తగ దిన్ తరగడ తగ
సానందమునీంద్ర గణనుత శివ శంకరి మానస విలీయమానం తంత్రీలయ సమన్విత గంధర్వ చారణ పదానుగేయమానం తంత్రీలయ సమన్విత గంధర్వ చారణ పదానుగేయమానం దీన జన మందారం అనుపమ దివ్య కళేవర శోభాయమానం దీన జన మందారం అనుపమ దివ్య కళేవర శోభాయమానం భాసమానం అసమానం భజమానం భక్త జన సమ్మానం భాసమానం అసమానం భజమానం భక్త జన సమ్మానం పామగమారి సరి స హరిత ధన జనుత కిట తళంగుత కపామగమారి సరి స హరిత ధన జనుత కిట తళంగుత గదీనుత ధీనుత ధీం దాదై ధీనుత ధీనుత ధీం తాదే ధనం తరిత తగ ధనం ధనం తరిదే 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 ధనం తరి ధనం ధనం తరి 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 తరిత ఝణు ఝణు ఝణుత ధిమి ధిమి ధిమిత కిట కిట కిటత దివిపతి నుతం పద సరసిజం మగ పమనిప మరకట నిభం మదకరి ముఖం ప్రణవ నినదం అజితం అనఘం సుభదం పరమం కనకాంబరధరణం ఏకరదనం తద్ధిత్తకధణం తకతధరి ధిత్తకధణం తకతధరి తకధణం తకతధరిత తద్ధిత్తకధణం తకతధరి ధిత్తకధణం తకతధరి తకధణం తకతధరితై తద్ధిత్తకధణం తకతధరి ధిత్తకధణం తకతధరి తకధణం తకత పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే చిదాకారమూలాధార ఓంకార గజవదనం పరమం పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే చిదాకారమూలాధార ఓంకార గజవదనం పరమం పరమానందనర్తన గణపతిం భావయే భావయే భావయే
Hare Bam Maga Maga Risa
Silks, North Usman Road, T Nagar, Chennai.
Shri Sadgurubhyo Namaha. I was very happy to learn from Murthy that his institution, the Shiva Foundation Chennai, is celebrating the Dasara Natya Utsav, featuring many young, talented dancers performing different styles. Congratulations to each and every one of you. I also extend my felicitations to all those who are supporting these young dancers, their parents, spouses, family, and friends. It is important because many professional dancers, even more so if they are male dancers, would encounter one question. When there are so many lucrative professions, why do you choose dancing for your profession? Here, I would like to quote Martin Luther King Jr. There are some things so precious, some things so dear, some things so eternally true that they are worth dying for. And I submit, if a man has not discovered something that he will die for, he isn't fit to live. I'm sure every serious dancer feels this way about his or her art. Such is the power of this art form. Murthy asked me to share a few thoughts about Kuchipudi on this occasion. We all know that Siddhendra Yogi is the grandsire of the Kuchipudi tradition as we understand it today, and is also the celebrated author of the inimitable work Bhama Kalapam or Sri Krishna Parijatam. Kuchipudi is perhaps the only style of dance that shares its name with the village of its birth and is also synonymous with its solo as well as the dance drama formats. In short, the word Kuchipudi says it all. The present day Kuchipudi Natyam is a pleasant blend of Yakshaganam, Kalapam or Prabandham, and the grammar required for the solo format. All practitioners of Kuchipudi are indebted to the untiring efforts of those great gurus who have enriched and empowered this art form down the centuries. The greatness of this art form is evident in its theatrical aspects, abhinaya technique, and the stress on characterization. The lilting music, the arresting staccato rhythm, the captivating abhinaya all combine to make a performance of Kuchipudi a delightful, memorable experience. It is imperative that all the young gurus and performers of Kuchipudi practice their art form with steadfast devotion and zeal, considering it a tapas, a sadhana of a lifetime and perhaps even beyond. My prayers and good wishes to the Shiva Foundation and its dynamic founder-director, Shri M.V.N. Murthy. I urge all of you Rasikas to view these performances and extend your support to the art form and the young artists. Thank you.
Namaste. India's greeting to the world. Namaste.
Namaste. I'm Malavika Mohan. I will be performing a Bharatanatyam Kirtanam that describes the grace and beauty of Devi. It is composed by Agasthyar on Ragam Ragamaliga and Talam Adi. It is composed by my master Anand Sir. I seek all your blessings. Thank you.
श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी आगमवेद कलामय रूपिणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी नागकङ्गण नडराज मनोहरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके பலவிதமாயுன்னை பாடவும் ஆடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அன்பர் பதமலர் சூடவும் உலகம் முழுதும் என்ன தகமுறை காணவும் ஒரு நிலை தருவார் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ சக்கரராஜ சிம்ஹாசனேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீலலிதா அம்பிகே உழன்று திரிந்த என்னை உத்தமனாக்கி வைத்தாயுயரிய பெரியோருடன் ஒன்றிட கூட்டி வைத்தாய் நிழலன தொடர்ந்த முன்னோள் கொடுமையை நீங்க செய்தாய் நித்திய கல்யாணி भवानी पद्मेश्वरी नित्य कल्याणी भवानी पद्मेश्वरी श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके துன்பப்புடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய் தொடர்ந்த முன்மாயம் நீக்கி பிறந்த பயனை தந்தாய் அன்பை புகட்டியுந்த ஆடனை காண செய்தாய் அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அடைக்கலம் நீயே अम्मा अखिलाडेश्वरी श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी आगमवेद कलामय रूपिणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी नागकङ्गण नडराज मनोहरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके
You guys போங்க ஒளிங்க போய் ஒளிஞ்சிக்கங்க போங்க போங்க
ஹாய்
சாதாரண ஷாம்பு அல்லது எண்ணெய் dandruff-ஐ மட்டுமே மறைக்கும். இப்ப dandruff-ஐ விரட்டுங்க. ஹிமாலயா ஆன்டி dandruff ஷாம்பு. இந்த ஷாம்புவில் உள்ள அலோவேரா மற்றும் டீ ட்ரீ ஆயிலின் ஆன்டிபாக்டீரியல் நற்குணங்கள் dandruff-ஐ விரட்டி ஹிமாலயா ஹெல்தி ஹேருக்கு வாக்குறுதி.
Namaskaram. I'm Sharon Niveda, disciple of Guru Shri P. Suresh. Today I'll be presenting a Bharatanatyam item, Tilana, Ragam Khapi, Talam Adi, Song composer Sri Madurai Seduraman.
Dim dim tagadim tadana derana. Dim dim tagadim tadana derana. Derana dirana tagadim 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 dim tagadim tadana derana. Nadrada dhim tanadra dhim tanadi dana dakita jam sagarini. Tanadi dana nadrada dhim tanadra dhim tanadi dana dakita jam sagarini. Tanadi dana bani sari gari ni dama bani sada jam tajam gari ni dagari dakita dhim dhim tagadim tadana derana. Derana dirana tagadim dim tagadim tadana derana. ஆனந்த நடமாடும் தில்லையில் ஐய நடராஜன் எழில் கண்டேனே. அன்னை சிவகாமி அருள் செய்பவனே அல்போடு மனம் நாடி நின்றேன். ஆனந்த நடமாடும் தில்லையில் ஐய நடராஜன் எழில் கண்டேனே. அன்னை சிவகாமி அருள் செய்பவனே அல்போடு மனம் நாடி நின்றேனே. ஆனந்த நடமாடும்
ஓஹோ, குழந்தைங்க பற்களை நல்லா பிரஷ் பண்ணவே மாட்டாங்க. அதனால தான் பல்வலி, மத்த டென்டல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது. இதுக்கெல்லாம் தீர்வு ஹிமாலயா கிட்ட இருக்கு. ஹிமாலயா கம்ப்ளீட் கேர் டூத் பேஸ்ட். இதோட 3 சக்தி வாய்ந்த மூலிகைகளான வேம்பு, த்ரிஃபெல்லா மற்றும் மெஸ்வாக் பற்களுக்கு சக்தி வாய்ந்த பாதுகாப்பு அளிக்கிறது. கம்ப்ளீட் கேர் டூத் பேஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஹிமாலயா, தி ஹெர்பல் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் இன் ஓரல் கேர்.
Namaskaram. Dance is mesmerizing. Be it any style, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi Natyam, or any classical style of India, we have abundance of talents spread in our younger generation. Today, being the 3rd day of Navaratri, I am sure you all have enjoyed Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi Natyam dancers performing. On behalf of Siva Foundation, we are thankful to Srimati Vasantalakshmi Narsimhachari, Founder Director, Kala Samarpana Foundation, Chennai, for her wonderful speech explaining the beauty of Kuchipudi Natyam and her blessings that she showered on the young dancers. Thank you. Namaskaram.